Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yanwar Hadi Saputro, and today I would like to present my research about the analysis of local wisdom in narrative text in English textbook for 10th grade of senior high school. Okay, this is the first chapter or chapter 1. In this chapter, the content are background of the study, scope of the study, research question, purpose of the study, and definition of terminology. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Background of the study. In Indonesia, the student and the teacher must have a textbook. For teacher, the textbooks will guide the teacher what will they teach during the teaching learning activity. And for the students, the textbook will guide the students what will they learn during the teaching learning activity. The existence of textbooks has been arranged by BSNP as the part that monitor the content of the circulating textbook. According to Bonan in 1990, writing a textbook is different from writing a novel. As we know, the novel only contains of the author idea, and it is different from writing a textbook. Writing a textbook, it is a little bit hard because there are many signs that must be followed, and also the textbooks must have the curriculum in it. And then, so what is local wisdom? Local wisdom can be interpreted as the result of human too, by using his mind in acting and behaving towards an object or event that occurs in a certain space. Local wisdom is an insight of life and science, as well as an assortment of life methodologies within the shape of exercise carried out by neighborhood communities in replying to different issues assembly their needs. That is the local wisdom. Okay, next about the scope of the study. The researcher will do a qualitative case study. This research analyzes the suitability of the textbook of 10th grade of senior high school published by Tiga Serangkai in 2020. Next, there are two research questions in this research. The first, what are the local wisdom in narrative texts of 10th grade in English book published by Tiga Serangkai? And the second, how to make the use of local wisdom in the narrative text in English textbook published by Tiga Serangkai as a learning research of the high school level. Okay, and as the purpose of the study, as we know, every research has their own purpose. There are two purposes in this study. First, identifying the local wisdom in the narrative text of 10th grade in an English textbook published by Tiga Serangkai. The second, utilizing local wisdom in the narrative text of 10th grade in an English textbook published by Tiga Serangkai as a learning research at the high school level. And then next to the next part, continue to the next part, definition of terminology. Okay, the first, what is local wisdom? Okay, I will repeat. Local wisdom is an insight of life and science, as well as an assortment of life methodologies within the shape of exercise carried out by neighborhood communities in replying to different issues in assembly their needs. Textbook. It is one of the many types of a teaching and studying materials. This textbook is a teaching or studying material based on prints. Okay, that's all from chapter 1, and next continue to the chapter 2. The local wisdom is an intelligence possessed by certain ethnic groups gained through the experience of the ethnicity grappling with its living environment. This is a statement from Rahyono in Wibowo and Gunawan in 2015. And so what is textbook? The textbook content of the materials come from the curriculum analysis in the written form according to BSNP, Badan Standar Nasional Pendidikan in 2006. Okay, that's a little about literature review, and then move to the third chapter, chapter 3. Okay, about the research methodology. Here, research design. I will do an evaluation study. The shape of the research is evaluation study, and the site and participant. The teacher who used the teacher who used the book published by Tiga Serangkai for the 10th grade of senior high school in Bogor. That's the participant. And then the procedure of a data collection. The researcher will do interview and questionnaire. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.